Wallaby tribe. Come across some little gems here. Look at these little beauties. Everybody should know what these are. These are your Agaric fairy tale mushroom. And they're a beautiful thing. There we go, look at that. They start off like this, they start from an egg sac. Hold on guys. See how it's got an egg sac at the bottom? They're a member of the Amanita family. And they're an awesome looking little mushroom. That one's brilliant, look at that. That's one cool little dude, that. That's a cool dude. Now they call these the original fairy tale mushroom because they have got hallucinogenic properties. They're not fatal. They won't kill you. Well, anything will kill you if you have too much of it. But they will get you off your bean. And I'm honest with you, you'll feel like crap the next day. Here's another one. Loads of Agarics round here. But I've got to be careful because where these are, there's usually fairies. And I really don't want the fairies getting me. Someone's had a little nibble out of that. Don't know who that could be. Oh. But yeah, absolutely awesome little mushrooms. The Agaric. And you probably will fly and all. So yeah, wild man out and about, just checking out nature. Bit of a shithole around here. Look, here's another one. Another little specimen. See that spider on there, guys? Off its tits. Look at it go. That spider knows what it's doing. You alright there, dude? Oh man, he can't even walk. He's legless. Stay off the mushrooms, dude. No way, a smash spider. Run, dude, run. I bet he's shitting himself. A giant Wildman couldn't get him. He's been sucking on there. What a legend. So yeah, be careful what you're picking, guys. The Agaric, the fairy tale mushroom. It's got hallucinogenic properties. It contains psilocybin. And it'll probably give you bad guts. So yeah, have a good one, guys. Be careful what you're licking. Take it easy. Wildman out.